record much after we landed in Madrid because one, I was tired, and two, I decided to check my final grades, which is pretty dumb of me to do on vacation. My family and I were craving some churros and chocolate, so we decided to grab a late night bite at one of the places near our hotel. Day 1 of 2 in Madrid. After eating a lot of food, we decided to walk over to the Palace of Madrid. We happened to come across a night Christmas market where they were selling a lot of really cool, cute goodies, and we decided to look around. It's not an international travel without getting jet lagged in the morning, but it was really nice to see the city all quiet and so pretty. My family and I really wanted to have churros and chocolates for our last couple of hours here in Madrid, so we went to this well-known chocolateria or churreria to get our churros. Literally a must if you go to Spain. Eat churros. And that was pretty much everything we did in Madrid. We hopped on a quick 3-hour train ride to Sevilla, where we would be spending the next couple of days before we headed off to our next destination. Oh, a quick little tip. If you are vegetarian, make sure to bring some snacks because there's only one meal that they give you and that has meat, so I could not eat anything and I was just very hungry the whole train ride. We arrived in the afternoon, so we decided to walk along the streets of Sevilla and visit the famous cathedral. Day 3 in Sevilla. When we were walking along the streets to go visit some sites, I came across this store called Lefties and I loved it. The clothes were like pretty good quality and it was also really cheap. So my mom got some workout clothes, I got a cute sweater and sweatpants. There are actually a bunch of locations, so you could probably find one wherever you are in Spain. This place is called Plaza de España, and I wanted to stay here the whole time because it's so pretty. You know, it's not as easy as it looks. I failed a couple of times, but I eventually got it. To like the 2 people that watch this, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, stay tuned for more videos.